See you guys in the morning.
Oh, good morning. It's cold outside.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Well, before I get the fire started and I start cooking breakfast, I think I want to complete the fire ring. I need to find a couple perfectly shaped stones. That one's promising.
I wouldn't mind another one of those.
I'm sitting here finishing breakfast and I can see a flock of seagulls diving on bait fish right there. Maybe I need to rig up the rod. Just checking my bait and I reeled in a flesh-eating starfish. All right, I'm gonna go put him back. That's an eagle feather. That's from a young bald eagle.